Okay, today YouTube channel bami show me fala how na for installing Office 2016 using command prompt. So bami start and okay, so you click here and you go download Office 2, clicking this one and you wait for it. If wait for it. Okay, so you have to wait for him. After him go, you just press press any key to continue. Just press any key there, and first you choose which one to install. So I choose this one I for install Office Suite or single apps. So you just press I, then set Office package download path. You just press D, Office 2016. Press enter. Okay, enter package number #41 or enter 0 for new search pattern. So you just press 1, enter, press S, enter, and here you select him 1 Google custom number 6. So here I'm selecting number 1, enter. Okay, and we just install disable word install. The 1 for no install, 0 and for installing. So you just press 0. Excel install 0, PowerPoint 0, Access me no like him Access, me press 1. Outlook me like him Outlook, so press 0. Publisher 0, OneNote 1, Skype 0, OneDrive 1, Visio 0, set project 1. After me press enter, yeah, so it run. So just wait for it. The bottom part left say start local install now, so you just press 1 and wait for it by him go down. So you just press any key there, just press enter. So now wait for it for him install. So just wait a minute, by a little bit take time for you for window Office install. So just wait a little bit minute also. You go check, then if anything you call me come. Bind the sorting things out. So now by you look him install Office installation or the so by wait for him until him installation done. So this one him Office or him install, so we have to wait him take time a little bit for install. So yeah, just open one.